Good morning. My name is Magda and I am project coordinator in Jesuit School in Gdynia in North Poland. We met with David Chamorro online through the platform Educate Magis, and since then we started cooperating online, doing not only online meetings with students but also online projects, also common lessons during pandemic time. So we gathered our students together on English and philosophy lessons. And we even did some projects online for Educate Magis, which were connected classrooms, which means that we met with also other countries and talked about subjects that were important for our social life and our social environment. And we also made one more step to make our real life experience exchanges. So after finding out that we have so much in common and that we would like to work on students' personal development, we started doing real life exchange. So we hosted your students from Chile in our school and in our families, and we also visited your families and your school, which was amazing experience for not only students but the whole school and whole families. And we find it enriching, and we find it a life chance experience, which our students always says it's the best project where they can participate in something unusual and unique. And we admire and we cherish the cooperation we have with all our hearts. And we encourage you to participate in such projects because it might be a life change experience for students, for teachers, and for the whole society of school and families. Hope to see you soon. Bye.